Alrighty, it's about 10 o'clock Friday night and the blizzard is underway. I don't know, snow doesn't really show up very well in videos. Ooh, there's somebody going too fast down the street. You can see there are actually people out walking around for some reason. It's coming down pretty good, can you tell? Look over where the light is. It's coming down pretty heavily right now. I hope this can show up. I'm surprised that there are this many people out running around in the middle of the blizzard. It's going to keep this up all night long. Well, there's somebody out shoveling their sidewalk already. Good for them. We're going to keep this up until we have 20 or 30 inches. Hot dog.